Huawei launched two new Nova series phone in China called Huawei Nova 13 and Nova 13 Pro, with quite unique rear camera module. Among this two, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Huawei Nova 13 Pro smartphone. The Nova 13 Pro features a tall 6.76-inch 1.5K resolution LTPO OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is protected by aluminosilicate glass on the top. Under the hood, the company haven't mentioned the processor of this device, but it is believed to be in-house unknown Kirin chipset. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Nova 13 Pro sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with an adaptive f1.4 to f4.0 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. For selfies, it has dual camera setup under pill-shape hole punch at the top center that carries an 60-megapixel main camera with 100-degree field of view, along with the 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom support. Both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 100-watt super-fast charging support, and it runs on Harmony OS 4.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.4 by 74.9 by 7.82 millimeters, and it weighs around 209 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 13 Pro has been priced in China for 256GB storage variant at 3,699 Chinese yuan, while the 512GB storage model is priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 1TB storage option is priced at 4,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Loden Green, Star Black, Feather White, and Feather Purple color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from October 26th. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 13 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.